how to install and set up the PolyLens desktop app. Launch PolyLens Desktop by selecting your PC or laptop's PolyLens logo icon. You will be asked to agree to the Poly End User License Agreement. Tick the box and then select Proceed. If you choose not to create an account, you can still use PolyLens Desktop to manage your devices by selecting Continue as Guest. On this occasion, we are going to use our login details. Select Login. Now, click on Sign Up. You can sign up using Microsoft, Google, or Apple Single Sign-On, or create a local account by entering your first and last name, email address, and password. By signing up, you agree to our terms of service, privacy policy, and API Marketplace terms. For demonstration, we are going to select Sign Up with Microsoft. Select your account from the Pick an Account window. You are now logged into PolyLens Desktop. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.